If you want to get rid of that stage fright that has been bothering you for years and getting in the way of you standing up and speaking out,
or you want to network more successfully and be seen as a leader in your industry,
maybe you want to communicate better within your company or your team,
and you want to be able to read your audience so that they see you as a persuasive speaker whenever and wherever you speak, then we have the answer for you.
it is right here in Santa Fe, New Mexico. It is January 13 and 14.
It is a 2-day workshop that we cover elements of how to structure a presentation, from intention and role and storytelling to open and close. And then on the second day, how to engage an audience, rehearse the difference between virtual and in-person presentation, and keeping it fresh.
And of course, you'll be exhausted. So what do we do between day 1 and day 2? We host a dinner, 4-course meal prepped by a local celebrity chef. You'll love it.
Now, since there are only 8 people attending, you'll get lots of individual attention, and your fee includes your ability to contact us afterwards to rehearse for no charge. So if you want more information, our contact information is given below. We look forward to discussing with you if the fit's right, and hopefully have you join us.
Hope to see you in Santa Fe.
Thanks. Bye.